Hi, my name is Nathan Santia. My TA is Hao. Today I'll be demonstrating the bunsen burner lab technique. So let's get safety precautions out of the way. So make sure you have any hair wrapped up so it doesn't get inflamed. Alright, and make sure all flammable things are out of the way, away from the flame. So that includes papers, books, all that. And then also, just make sure you never leave the flame unattended. Always stay right here, right next to the flame when it's on, because you don't want anything to burn and cause a fire. So let's go over our materials. Here we have our hose, we have our striker, and we don't need this. And we have our beaker with water, and then we have our tongs to carry the beaker around so our hands don't get burned. And here we have our bunsen burner. We have the base, then we have the gas adjustment, we have the oxygen adjustment, and we have our barrel. And here we have our little ring to place our item on, and the big ring so our beaker doesn't move and jump around because it gets jumpy when it's on fire. And we also have our plate. So let's begin. First thing you want to do is attach your hose to the pump of the gas. It's blue colored. Alright. Adjusted. You want to adjust the hose to the bunsen burner. Make sure you attach it firmly. Alright. So I'm going to turn on the gas next. It's on, and now let's strike our flame. Alright, so I just striked our flame, and right now it's not that bad. It's at a reasonable height. Now, as you can see, there are 3 portions to our flame, and the middle, the light blue, is our hottest part of the flame. So the middle part is our blue part. Baby blue is the hottest part of the flame. And then the top is the oxidizing part of the flame, and the bottom is the reducing. So right now we're adjusting the gas, and if it's orange, like right there at the top, that means we don't have enough oxygen, and we want an appropriate amount of oxygen in order to get our flame at its highest, at its peak. And so I just control the oxygen levels. Yeah, you have to really dry that. Alright, so now we're gonna place our bunsen burner under. We have our water, we're gonna place it on and heat our water. So our water is heating. Okay, so I'll talk about the purpose of a bunsen burner. Obviously it's to heat substances, and it's to regulate oxygen intake and gas intake. So now we're gonna turn off our bunsen burner. First, turn off the gas. Our gas has been ceased. And then we're gonna disconnect our hose. Disconnected from the gas. And we have our water. Make sure to use the tongs because it might be super hot. Yeah, here we go. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.